Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to get gacha Nox on the Android. So how you can download and install it to your Android device. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser and you have to search for the itch.io.io, and once you will search for it, you will get this website. Here you will see three lines on the left top. Click on it, and right here you have to search for the gacha Nox. Once you will search for it, you have to click on this one, gacha Nox club mod. Now scroll up, and here you will get the procedure as well as APK of the gacha Nox. So simply you can download it from here and install it to your device and enjoy this game. As you can see, so this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.